Thank you so much, Steve. Next, with a round of a foot of snow falling overnight, many people had the day off from work or school.
And many of you at home were awesome, sending us photos right here on Daybreak and throughout the day on ABC7. Here's a look at how some of you spent your snow day. Really nice photos there. Of course, I know you worked all throughout yesterday morning here on Daybreak, and then we worked together for midday.
Right.
What happened after you left the station?
I had promised a little snowman making, so that's what we did. I think we made in all 4 snowmen, and then we shoveled some driveways and sidewalks.
So you walk into the station today, and you're going like, oh,
yeah,
my shoulder.
It's kind of sore.
It was hurting, huh?
Yeah.
Getting your workout on with that snow.
Yeah, it was a workout. We'll be right back with more news and weather. Stay with us.